What's up YouTube, it's Keegan from TouchPal Media here, and in today's quick video, I will be showing you guys how to install the TouchPal Keyboard as the default iOS keyboard. Now if you don't know, TouchPal is basically a very simple input method for your iPhone. They have an app on the App Store that allows you to use their special keyboard, and you can basically swipe to type. Okay, so right now I'm going to give you guys a quick demo as to how this works. I'm going to type out, hello, this is an awesome keyboard. And as you can see, all you need to do is swipe across the letters and then it puts it into a word. This basically allows you to easily type out messages that would normally take you a long time to type by hand. Now, because this is an iOS app, Apple does not allow you to modify the actual keyboard, so you can only export via email, or a message, or Evernote. Or you can also just copy the text, and then you can come over anywhere you'd like. So I'll go up here to the spotlight bar, and then you can just paste it in. So that's one way you can do it. But if you don't necessarily like having to copy and paste, there is a way that you can get the keyboard as your default iOS keyboard. So right here, as you can see, I have the swipe keyboard installed, and so I can use it. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get this keyboard installed on the iOS default keyboard list. The only thing this requires is the iOS app as well as a simple free Cydia tweak. Now you need to search for a TouchPal, and the one that's going to come up is going to have a bunch of Chinese characters before it, and that is the app you need to install. As you can see, it is designed to be used as a Chinese input method, but you can also use this for any language keyboard, including English, which is what I'm going to be showing you today. So as you can see, I already have it installed, so I'm not going to be doing that again. But what you do to install it then is you go to Settings, and then you want to go down to your keyboards. So Settings, General Keyboard. And you will then click on Keyboards, and you will want to add the TouchPal keyboard. It's not going to be there now, but I can actually remove this keyboard, and then I'll add it down here. And I'll go scroll down to the T's. And then there is TouchPal English Handwrite, and then there are a few others. So I'm going to install TouchPal English. So now, as you can see, I will have that keyboard installed. So I will come over here, and then that keyboard is there. So I can just swipe over to the full keyboard view, and this is how I can now type using TouchPal Keyboard. So I hope you guys all find this tweak very interesting. I know I find it interesting. Now I don't use this on a daily basis for typing, only because of a couple issues. First of all, after a period, it does not auto-capitalize the first letter. So I'm going to type any word, people, and then also double space does not add a period. You can go back and then double space and it'll add it, but it still doesn't capitalize, and it does not add the second space. So as you can see, it has a few issues that you may not be happy with using this keyboard to text your friends or just for typing throughout the day. Now I will use it occasionally if I have to type one-handed and I need to get something out quick, like a casual text or something, because I don't really need to pay attention to capitalization on those, and it's very easy to type with one hand as opposed to having to type, as you can see, like this with one hand. It's just painful and kind of annoying and takes a long time. So for that reason, this tweak is useful. I hope you all find this tweak very interesting, and you will find all of the information I've talked about in the description section below, as well as in a blog post on Tech It Out News. This has been Keegan from TouchPal Media, and I will see you next time.